Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your girl, GangGirls94. There are 4 important dates you guys need to mark on your calendars this June. The first one comes this Tuesday, June 2nd, 2009 is the release of Sims 3. Go copy that game. Alright, the next date is June 9th, 2009. You guys can go copy the game Rock Band Unplugged. Alright, June 15th. Yeah, June 15th. You guys gotta watch this right here. Run Cells Season 6, you guys. Premiere. No joke. You guys can watch the trailer on runcells.ntv.com. Alright? Run Cells Season 6. Look at the trailer. Alright? That's the third thing. And the fourth and last thing is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince releases on June 19th, 2009. You guys gotta go watch that. That's gonna be better than Twilight. Yeah. The Twilight was really supposed to be released in June, but they swapped Harry Potter and Twilight around. And I really think they should have had Harry Potter there, because I was kind of mad. I was really waiting in November to see Harry Potter, but that's basically it. I'm not gonna ramble on like I normally do, because this is like my 5th take, and the one I just did before was 7 minutes of me rambling on. So that's it for your girl, GangGirls94. Peace, YouTube. Copy those 4 days on your calendar. Peace out.